You have a 2021 cryptocurrency consumer survey showing on the left-hand side in teal columns that a quarter of people surveyed are willing to put over 50% of their savings into cryptocurrencies. That's very bullish. And on the right-hand side, orange columns showing that almost half of those surveyed believe Bitcoin will be worth $30,000 to $50,000 by the end of the year, and about a third believe it will be worth even more. And so you provide a Bitcoin individual retirement account. What are the main differences between a traditional IRA versus a cryptocurrency IRA?
At their infrastructure and the way that it's built, it's very similar. You're putting it inside of a tax-sheltered vehicle for either tax-free growth or tax-deferred growth. But you're just accessing a different asset class, a very revolutionary asset class in digital assets today. You get all the same perks of either a traditional or Roth IRA type account, but you have the ability to access things that you can't get at a traditional investment house.
All right. And what is a Bitcoin IRA and what makes a Bitcoin IRA different?
Well, what makes us different is we coined the phrase back in 2016. We were the first to basically create this industry. What makes us different is we forged exclusive partnerships with some of the best of breeds. I'm sure you're familiar with BitGo wallets out there, managing over 20% of transactions with their $100 million insurance protection policy. And further, with our new Earn and other programs, we're working exclusively with Genesis. That's a big piece that makes us different. But further than that, I really think beyond our technology and innovation, it's the customer service that we're able to provide. It's very rare that you can find an industry leader that you can get on the phone with an individual and actually talk crypto, talk IRAs. As you plan your retirement futures. I think what our core mission, and this was all built around, is to help Americans retire. I don't know if you're aware of this, Christine, but 64% of Americans are not prepared for retirement from a recent study at Yahoo Finance. Did you know about that?
I'm not surprised. It's hard to save up.
It is, especially in today's economy. So we take that mission very.
Yeah. How many users do you have? What kind of demand are you seeing for your products? Who's using it?
The demographics are very wide range. We have 100,000 users. We just recently announced breaking that milestone, which we're very proud of. Some of the things that have happened in just these last few months have shown some significant growth. Year to year for quarter one, we're showing 1,000% growth on transactions. We've done just about $1.5 billion of transactions in our 4 short years of being a specialist for Bitcoin IRA retirements. What we see is our demographic is a lot of different folks looking for an ability to streamline their retirement and help expedite it so that they have a chance to retire later.
All right. And what kind of fees are you charging people to use these products?
So our fees are generally for this year so far have been about 5%. And then there's ongoing maintenance fees. To have an IRA, you have to have a bank. A bank is required to hold those assets. And so they have their annual fee of $240 a year. In general, we're at about the 5% range for setup costs.
All right. And so are you seeing people actually, like how many users are you seeing on your platform right now? Is it popular? Are people,
Yes.
What percentage of people out there are actually signing on?
Well, I don't know about percentages, right? But I know that we get about 30% of users that visit our site, sign up and create an account. And once they're in there, they've got a series of knowledge materials, live pricing. They have a buy, sell, swap feature that's 24/7 accessible all the time. It's one of our innovative pieces that we put together. Right now, the biggest surge of interest has been around our newest IRA Earn program, which we just launched less than 30 days ago. We've already deposited over $100 million of assets into that Earn program. So that is really picking up the popularity of decentralized finance in your retirement account.